la gloria de Valencia.
I'm so happy, it's a great experience for me to be in Spain. It's the first time I actually moved from, I changed the team since I came back from United States, which was 5 years ago. So it's my first team. I go somewhere, and especially it's such a good team here in Spain, and you guys doing so well so far. So for me it's an honor to be here, and obviously I will do the best I can, to help you out to finish the season well. I mean, of course, it's a tough league. There's no easy games, as I know, in Spain, and each game is to be or not to be in a top spot. So, from my experience, we play in the EuroLeague for 4 or 5 years, and I know Barcelona very well, and it's pretty tough environment to play over there, and it's going to be a tough game, and what's going to happen after Barcelona, we'll see. The most important for me, and I think for the team, is to prepare well for Barcelona game, and then we'll see how that works, and then we will have another couple of days to prepare for another game. So I hope we'll do well and play our best game. I'm a physical player. I play good defense, try to rebound well, and set good screens for the guys. Obviously I'm not gonna be the next Paul Gasol over here or somebody. I came here to do what I do best, which is hard work on a court, and I think some teams need a guy like that, and I hope I will bring a new energy to the team and help, especially for the guys that are here for so long to win the games. I'm not gonna change anything. The team is already here. The guys know each other. I will try to help them win, and I hope that will work well for me and for the team especially. Hrycaniuk.
Hrycaniuk?
Hrycaniuk, yes.
Okay.